in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, you know, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And you know what I mean, I give you juice, I give you meat free Monday and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch and stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love, and now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. It's amazing guys to be in the kitchen, but anyway, what I'm going to do today, I'm just going to simply make you a nice lovely honey pan fried steak. It's going to be an amazing recipe and I'm going to make it very easy and simple and straightforward. As you can see the dish, we're going to serve it with some plain rice and some spinach. It's going to be an amazing recipe. But anyway, this is the way how we're going to be starting off it today, by simply putting a little bit of just a little bit of salt on it, just like this. Spin it over to the other side, and also what we're going to do is show you what else you can do. Pop a little bit more of the salt on this side of the steak, a little bit of cracked pepper, spin it over to the other side, and spin it over to the other side. Lovely, nice one. Basically I have a little bit of beef season which I'm just gonna simple sprinkle on top of it, like this and like this and like this. And if you notice, this is a lovely piece of a steak guys, but I know you guys will definitely love this piece of steak. It's just amazing recipe. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how you can pan fry this steak with some honey and serve it with some plain rice and also some spinach. Nice and lovely. So guys, first thing you're going to be needed is medium-sized frying pan on the stove and medium-sized heat. Gas mark, if you're using gas mark 3. I'm using electric oven, so basically I have it on 3 at the moment. So first thing what I'm going to do is pop a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, which is really healthy, inside of it like this. Make sure your frying pan doesn't too really hot because you don't want to splash and, you know what I mean, burn up yourself guys. So basically what we're going to do now is pop that nice lovely piece of steak in it like this and like this, and we're going to be frying this on a medium size heat because you don't want to be frying it and it get it too dried out. You just want to have it on a medium size heat. So basically I switch it up to 4, put it to 5, and we're going to be frying this for roughly about 3 to 4 minutes on both sides, so roughly about 8 minutes. Basically what we're going to do, we're going to simply spin it over to the other side and to the other side and leave it for it to fry for another good 5 to 6 more minutes. Nice. So guys, as you can see exactly what's going on. So basically what we're going to do, just use a knife and simply burst a 2 little bus inside of the middle of the steak. As you can see, all inside of the steak look when you're frying it. And basically we're just gonna simply turn it over back to this side,
Lovely and nice. So basically, as you can see, it is frying, and you're gonna just fry it on a medium-sized heat. You don't want to be fried too quickly and, you know what I mean, get it burned up. No, you just want to have it on that lovely temperature and that lovely heat until it's fried up. And as you can see, steak looking so lovely and nice. So what we want to do now is get that lovely honey and simple. Put that honey right on top of the steak like this. So basically it will go straight down in those all the way you just cut inside of the steak and give that nice lovely taste. As you can see, it's frying up really nice. So give that another couple more minutes and then we will spin it over to the other side. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as you can see, the beef right here, and you have that nice lovely color, and that's the color what you're looking for. Then what we're going to do now is I have some onion. I'm just gonna pop this onion around it, get those onion with that lovely flavor. Pop a little bit more of the olive oil on it like this. Nice one. And also just a little pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. I'm using some. Really nice, guys, and I know you guys will love this one, honestly. Little cracked pepper, get that lovely flavor and the onion and the steak. So basically what we're going to do now is just take the beef and rest it on the onion. Nice one. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to be leaving this on a medium-sized heat at the moment, and I'm going to be sharing out the rice and get this cooking for the next 5 or 4 more minutes. As you can see, roughly take probably about 15 minutes because I want it to be cooked, not really overcooked, but on a medium heat cook, because I'm cooking on a slow temperature at the moment. But it's really nice and lovely, but I know you guys will love this honey pan fried beef. Enjoy it. Nice one. So basically I just share out there. This is the rice right here. And I just want to get this straight to you guys. As you can see, it's just a simple meal with the steak and some stir fry spinach with some onion on top of it, the plain rice. Really easy and simple. You could decorate it with some more stuff, but it's simple. But you know, I just make it simple for my fans, and that you guys can make this one at home. As you can see, very easy recipe, guys. And so hopefully you guys will just love the recipe, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my show. Got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe coming out for you. But as you can see, very easy recipe, and you can make that one at home. So enjoy, please subscribe, leave a comments below, and tell me what you think about this single recipe. Honey pan fried steak with onion and spinach served with plain rice.
Smile on my face, got the pot on the stove to embrace, spices dancing in the breeze, cooking magic with such ease, jerk chicken sizzling loud, drawing in the hungry crowd, iron flavors in the air, Chef Ricardo's secret flair, let's gather around the fire tonight. Taste the rhythm, pure delight. Every dish a work of art. Feel the love in every part. Coconut rice, so divine. Mango salsa, oh so fine. With every bite a happy sign. Taste Jamaica and you'll fly. Simmering in a coconut stew, planting golden brown, it's true. Kitchen's alive with his groove. Ricardo knows just how to soothe. Let's gather round the fire tonight. Taste the rhythm, pure delight. Every dish a work of art.